Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be learning how to do abdominal breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing or deep breathing. A lot of you have asked me in my pranayama videos how to do abdominal breathing correctly. So I thought I'll do one video exclusively on this. Abdominal breathing is one of the most effective ways to breathe when done correctly, as it helps in improving lung capacity, improving blood oxygenation, and also helps us relax. You might need a cushion for this practice. So once you're ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by lying down on our back. And fold our knees, bringing the soles of the feet onto the mat. Bring the right hand on your abdomen and the left hand on your chest. Let's take a few normal breaths here. Observe the movement of your hands without controlling anything. Let it be totally natural. Now let us try to practice abdominal breathing. Imagine your stomach like a big balloon. As you inhale, the balloon fills up with air and expands, so that the right hand rises up. As you exhale, the balloon deflates and the right hand falls down. Inhale, the right hand rises up. Exhale, the right hand falls down. The left hand remains almost stationary on the chest. Try not to force the movement. Relax your abdomen completely. Try not to move the chest and the shoulders as you breathe. Inhale deeply. The belly expands all around, rising up, expanding to the sides, and even towards the mat. As you exhale, everything contracts in. Last time, inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Now let's try to do the same thing while we are sitting. Let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. I would advise sitting on a cushion so that your hips are slightly above your knees. This helps in keeping the spine long. Now let's again bring our hands to our stomach and chest. So bring the right hand on the stomach and the left hand on your chest. Close your eyes. And let's again try to do abdominal breathing. Inhale. Feel the abdomen expanding out. Exhale and the abdomen goes in. Again, inhale deeply. The belly goes out. Exhale fully. The belly goes in. The left hand again remains almost stationary on your chest with no movement. So now if you want to add the complete yogic breath to this, we'll add thoracic and clavicular breathing. So again, bring the right hand on the abdomen and place a left hand on the chest so that the index finger and the thumb are gently placed on the collarbones. Again, inhale deeply and let your belly expand out. And then inhale a bit more to expand the chest out. And the shoulders move slightly up. As you exhale, the chest softens and the belly goes in. Again, inhale, the abdomen expands and the chest and shoulders move out. As you exhale, the chest and the shoulders relax and the abdomen goes in. Once more, inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Last time, inhale deeply, exhale fully, and bring your hands down. I hope you found this video helpful and it will help you to improve your breathing practices. I'll see you with a new video soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.